The 747-8F is the freighter version of Boeing's 747-8 family. It is a large, four-engine, long-haul cargo aircraft. It first flew in 2010, certification in 2011, and entered service soon after. Its key mission is to carry large and heavy payloads, often of outsized or non-containerizable cargo, with flexibility of loading, nose door plus side door, while improving upon older 747-400FS in fuel efficiency, capacity, and operating economics. Key specifications and performance. Here are the important technical details. Parameter values/range. Maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, 987,000 pounds, is almost equal to 447,700 kilograms. Maximum revenue payload is almost equal to 132,600 to 140,000 kilograms, is almost equal to 292,000 to 308,000 pounds, depending on source. Cargo volume 857 cubic meters total, with main deck 692.7 cubic meters, lower compartments 150.9 cubic meters plus bulk area. Range/endurance with full payload, 4,100 to 4,500 nautical miles, is almost equal to 7,600 to 8,300 kilometers. Without full payload, you can extend that. Cruise speed Mach 0.845 to 0.85 is almost equal to 900 kilometers per hour/560 miles per hour. Service ceiling 43,000 feet. 13,100 to 13,200 m. Dimensions length 250 feet 2 inches is almost equal to 76.25 m. Wingspan 224 feet 7 inches is almost equal to 68.45 m. Height 63 to 64 feet is almost equal to 19.35 to 19.40 m. Strengths. High payload capacity. The 747-8F can carry large payloads, is almost equal to 130 to 140 metric tons, making it ideal for heavy or oversized cargo. Air Charter Advisor. Large volume plus loading flexibility. Big internal volume, main deck plus lower holds, plus both side and nose doors for efficient loading/unloading. Helps reduce ground time. Range suitable for long hauls with full payload. Though with full payload range is reduced versus a passenger 8 series, it still allows non-stop or near non-stop intercontinental flights for many cargo routes. Efficiency improvements versus older 747s. Around 16% more cargo revenue volume over the 747-400F. Lower fuel burn per ton-mile, better aerodynamics, newer engines, GX2B, and more efficient wing. Lower cost per seat, if it were a passenger version, and lower costs per cargo ton-mile in freighter mode. New Atlas. Operational flexibility/airport compatibility. Boeing claims that most airports that accept older 747s can accept the 747-8, as dimensions are similar in many respects, reducing the need for costly infrastructure changes. Weaknesses/challenges. High operating costs. Fuel consumption is still high because it is a 4-engine aircraft. Even though more efficient than past models, absolute fuel burn remains large.